How to remove repost on Instagram. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Instagram on your device. Then, click on your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. In your profile, you will find the two arrow options. Click on the two arrow options. These are all your reposts. Now, to remove your repost, simply hold on to the repost. After you hold on to the repost that you want to remove, you will find it in this way. In here, you will find cross mark in the two arrow option, which is delete repost. Simply click on it. After you click on it and reload your account, you will find that repost not here. You can also click on the three lines, and then in here, click on your activity. After you click on your activity, in here, click on reposts. After you click on repost, you'll find all your reposts. Now to remove all your reposts, click on select at the top right corner of your screen. Then select all the reposts you want to remove, and then press on delete at the bottom. Press on delete again, and then you're good to go. This is how to remove repost on Instagram. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.